Hello, YouTube family and Facebook. We got a little update here on our little farm. We got some uh, the lamb feed and some whole corn and some grass for mom over here. So mom over here, my black belly sheep, black face, she actually went ahead and got us a little winter baby. She's kind of tiny, look like a girl. Um, don't really want to rough them up and harass them right now to look for any signs of a boy or a girl, like little testicles or anything. But I'm extremely proud of her. She did it all on her own. Yesterday, so December 6th, around 5 o'clock, she had all day when the sun was out. And last night went down into the 30s, mid 30s over here. And I was extremely worried about the baby gonna be cold, but looks like she got a nice set of fur on her. I'm thinking it's a girl because it's kind of tiny. What's up, little cutie? Say hi to the world. Woohoo! Looks just like her mama. Yeah, I think it's a girl. We'll let you know as we go along. But healthy, flouncing, bouncing, baby girl. Yep, it's a girl. No signs of the little testicles and stuff. Well, I saw her little female setup there, so that's the thing. You can't lock these goats and sheep up. You gotta let them free range. And I got all of them out here. Lock this back for me. So what we did, we let all these guys out. Well, I have the goats separate on that side, and lamb, sheeps. We have to say sheeps. We can say sheeps. Why we say goats and not sheeps? I keep saying that. So, kind of let them out to graze the pastures, and then Mama's not gonna be coming out there for like probably another few days, maybe about a week, until she feel comfortable with her baby. So whenever we let these guys out, we give her some of those alfalfa or alafaya or whatever grass it is, that I bought from the Rural King store, so she can be healthy, get to eat, produce milk for herself and, well, for the baby, and give herself lots of energy. So she had enough personal time, spent probably about 3 hours by herself in there. She can eat as much as she want, because once all these guys go back in there, they're gonna bully and go ahead and eat up all that stuff. However, these guys, they get to graze the pastures all day. Well, whenever we come home, we let them out. We don't lose them out all day anymore, because we got wild dogs and coyotes out here that had some before. Lost a couple of lambs with that situation. So they're gonna go all under those trees. Grass is kind of dry right now, but there's a lot of pickings between the young grass. They love the young grass. They go between those trees all across here, come across here, all the way across that way. They got plenty to eat. And then we top them up with some goat feed, sheep feed, and some whole corn in the afternoon. What are you doing, Sylvester? That's a boy. Sylvester is trying to mate Rambo. Dude is horny, man. Horny goat weed. Crazy. This one right here, that's Arnold's mom. That's Peanut over there in her brown color. They're all pregnant, by the way. They're all pregnant again. And there goes Girly right here. Girly is actually the mom for Peanut. She had two. One of them died, so Peanut survived. And this is from the previous owner, where all that happened. So far, I'm very fortunate. You can see Rambo down here. That's Rambo. That's a male sheep. That's his mom. She did pretty good too. Everything off her own. Just like Blackface in there. We didn't have to reach in there and pull the baby out or anything. And so I'm a big believer in letting them roam out here. Get that natural goodness in the pastures, exercise, all that stuff. And then you give them a little feed in the afternoon. So very, very excited about that. It's girly. We'll probably get 2 from her this year. They're probably due around March of next year. All of them that are pregnant. You got Peanuts pregnant, Girly's pregnant. You got Bam Bam over there, which is Rambo's mom. They're all pregnant again. We got Arnold's mom's pregnant. And of course, Blackface, well, she just gave birth. So maybe another couple of months down the line. Not sure how long they take. She'll probably go ahead and get all mated up again. So excited about that update. We got a little chocolate baby over here. So I've already fed all the ducks over there and all the ducklings. And we got the chickens, the layers and stuff over here, and the mama and daddy ducks. They're all fed. We got some of these Isa Browns. I got home a little early today, so I'm helping out. I already got all that covered. These are like layers. I'm keeping them off the ground because I find that a little bit more healthy for them. Yeah, some of them start laying already. I got a couple of Brahmas in here too, and in the other pen here. Over the weekend, well, I'm gonna see. Over the weekend or the coming week, next week, I'm actually gonna take them out of here and put them into the bigger pens so they'll have more space to roam around and all that stuff. Do what they do. That's a Brahma. That's a female Brahma. That's the male right there. It's a big dude. These are young. These are probably about a 3 month old time frame. So they're all gonna be getting ready to lay. All right, here we go. So these are all, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 layers, and then that Brahma up there, she's a hen too. That's 6 layers right there. And that rooster, here, lock this up for me. And across here, not sure how much we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Isa Browns and 2 of the Brahmas hen over there too. So this is not an 8. These are all young. They're gonna start laying up a storm. We're gonna be collecting some eggs. In the meantime, I got some of the Rhode Island Reds and Isa Browns over there. 8 of those, and then 4 other mixed in. And they are laying right now. And then in this next little pen over here, I got 9 just hens layers in there. Getting about 4 eggs a day. So another 5 of them is slacking right now. And some babies that we hatched out, they were across here. I moved them into the next pen over behind that. And that's probably another 4 or 5 hens in there too that are starting to lay. So I'm getting back some green eggs and stuff now. I got a gray fowl that lays the green egg, gray chicken that lays the green egg, and also a black one that lays the green egg over there. So it's going into winter. They're going to want to slow down on the laying a little bit as the daylight goes away. But We're still doing good so far because you gotta let them come out here. I had them out here on free range, and then I fed them. You gotta give them good feed too. See, those are all the other hens I was telling you about. Nice looking ones too. Across here. Got some more in here. Yes, gobble gobble, I'm coming. Oh yeah? I'm coming. All right, I gotta go. Let's do it over here. Just let him in the pen. She's over here screaming because the Lion King, or I should say the Sheep King, is like butting at her. One time he already hit her on one of her knees and swole up her knee. So guess what, dude? You keep that up, you know what's gonna happen, right? He's upset because you want to get in here and get the feed, huh? Huh? And she won't let you get the feed, huh? Can't do that. She feeds you every day, bro. Take care of you. You can't keep him, let him get too big, man, because, well, he's about grown. That's as big as he's gonna get. But he's getting a little aggressive these days. And then if you stay here long enough, you're gonna see him just like pushing those out of the way and beating them up, trying to bully his way around. Let him keep that up. Christmas is coming. A lot of people hitting me up for lamb right now. Like, hey man, you got some lamb? You got some goat? Did he hit you? Where? Well, he got you in the belly? Now, you need to have a big piece of wood with you, so when he comes around, you whack him across the head. Yeah, we gotta keep an eye on him. If he's gonna get aggressive, we're gonna have to tone it down a little bit over here. Yeah, so, yeah, sweetheart. That's my albino female turkey. I got some more roosters in here. Hen. And that's big gobble gobble. I'm gonna have to pick him up, check his weight out one day. It's getting bigger. That's Sylvester the duck. I got Sylvester the goat, Sylvester the duck. That's my big boy Drake over here. Got some more Muscovy hens in there too.
Did you pick up eggs?
Yeah, I got some. And these are white Muscovy babies. Just the other day, they were like this little. I'm gonna have to get them a tub with water so they can bathe. They're getting a little dirty. Got a few of them behind the curtains over there, and then somewhere here. These guys were in part 1 video. They were all tiny. Look how big they got. Look at that big dude right there. I'll make some pepper pot with him for Christmas. But yeah, what I did, I went ahead and I opened up the pen here, like I said I was gonna do. And then so they're running all the way through. All the way through here. So they got more space. So that's a combination of, well, that's 2 pens together there. I had 8 different sections. I went ahead and made Made it down to 6 because I opened up 2 sections. Actually 3 sections I opened up. So that would bring it down to, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sections. Mixture of Peking duck and Muscovy here. So these are all hens that are ready to roll. A lot of the drakes are gone. Oh, the other side of that pen is Peking ducks. So you got to mix the black Muscovy like mixed in there, some white, then you got the pure white ones. These are young, real young. They're about 5 months, if that old. And I put a hole in the mesh over there, and I kind of let them. They're gonna go all the way across here and do what they got to do. More space again. These are the Peking ducks. I got the blue Swedish, which are the gray ones. I got some white Peking ducks. I got those that black one right there with the green head. I don't know what that one is called, but the gray Peking ducks and the white one actually made the black one over there. I'm gonna bring you around that way and show you them. Real nice. Blue wings, green heads, some black on the body. Oh, I got another hen over there. That's a gray hen. So that one should be laying some green eggs when she starts. It's really young. Didn't start yet. These are gonna be my next batch. Thinking another couple of weeks. Yeah, looking kind of light because shipped out some of the big ones. These were also in part 1. They got big. They're looking all ruffled up because they're now developing their feathers and stuff. Man, look at ducks. You think I got plenty? Woo. Those are the 3 mamas over there. 3 beauties, by the way. Look at them. Got Snow White, Sharky, and Penguin over there. The gray one is Penguin, this one. Black one over here is Sharky, and the white one is Snow White. And that's a brown Muscovy right here. This mama right here. She's a light brown. Brownie. Actually, I have a darker brown too in the other pen across there. So, got a guy I was buying ducks from for the past like 18 years, ducks and chickens, and he's saying that the gray Muscovy and these brown color ones, he call them red, they are really good as far as eating and quality. So he's trying to get, see, that's the dark brown right there and the gray one. He's trying to get some brown and gray Muscovy. Looks like she's kind of like changing colors too. Looks like she's going more towards black. But hey, Mr. Curious. So he's saying he don't want to deal with the black Muscovy too much, but that's what a lot of people want. Black Muscovies. So nice texture and flavor in their meat. These white Muscovies, they have a little lighter meat color. Instead of red meat, it's more like a light, like a pink. Or like the black Muscovy, like more of a burgundy color. And then the white Muscovy is more like a dark pink, light red. Look at this. Look at the green head one I'm telling you about. Got a couple of males in there. Come out onto the sun, guys, so we can see your color. Peking ducks. Shoo, shoo, shoo. Oh, he's all full. Can hardly move. But look, dude's got like some black and some blue. Like a purplish mixed in his feathers around the wing area. Green head. Real nice looking. Nice looking. Look at all of them looking at me. Yep, you guys are on YouTube. So the green beaks, notice some of them with the green beaks. Those are males. And then the gray beaks and the yellow beaks. Well, let me rephrase that. These black ones right here with the green beaks, those are males. Then you got the gray ones with the green beak, those are males. The gray ones with the gray beaks, those are females. Then as far as the white one goes, you got, they're all yellow beaks, but difference between the male and female, you notice the female is a little bit more smooth with the feather there on the tail. The males have a curl, like a Michael Jackson curl like that. Let's see if we can find him. Oh yeah, right there. Ooh, look at the size of this dude. See the curl right here on the gray one? Right there. That's a male. So pay attention to this gray one right here. That big gray one right here. That's a male. See the curl on the tail? This white one here, that's a male right here. Curl on the tail. Ooh, that's a big dude. I'm gonna have to check his weight. I'm gonna check his weight. I gotta check your weight, bro. He's big. You check your weight. Come here. Woohoo! Oh yeah. He is heavy. Handsome fella though. Look at him. Look at him. It's a big dude. It's a big dude. What's up, my big dude? That's a handsome fella. Oh, let me show you the curl. Come on, sit tight. I'm just playing with you. I'm showing you off to people. Look, see that little curl right there? Right there. Boom. So Michael Jackson curl. Go. Got another thing. Notice he wasn't quacking when I pick him up. He's going Watch what happens when I pick up a female. Matter of fact, you hear that noise? I don't have to pick her up. Those are both females. They quack. The females quack for the Peking ducks. And then the male, they don't quack. They just go Plus the curls on the tail. Body size too, bigger. But yeah, gray Peking ducks, or the blue Swedish they call them, with the white Peking duck, made the black ones there with the green heads and all those fancy blue and purple color on the wings and all that. So I'm happy I got them. I didn't have to go out and looking for them. His wifey always wanted those green head English ducks or whatever you call them. But yeah, there you have it, guys. Truck park out there, you see it? So Did not work today. Went down to the shop. Trying to get some work done on the trailer. Got ABS light on. Trying to figure that part out. And then right after that, I'm thinking tomorrow I need to take the truck into the dealer. Check out the transmission and stuff. See what's going on. There's some issues while driving and stuff. And the dealer was suggesting that we check out the transmission. The bearings could be going bad or gone bad or something. So yeah, story of my life. There's work, then there's work. And be nice to catch a break, you know, not have so much problems with the truck and trailer and stuff. And then here comes this guy. What's up, Bubba? She just let him out. So yeah, if I drop the truck in the shop right now, that means I can't work for the next 2 or 3 weeks. So Christmas is gonna be kind of brown. A little low on money there. But one of the biggest fear you gotta worry about is if the truck or trailer fails and you got somebody's load, how are you gonna figure all that out? I've been there, done that in the past. I don't know if I can handle it again. Basically, you got to get a tow truck, and hopefully they can tow across state lines. Most cases they can't do that, so then now you have to get 2 tow trucks, one for the truck, one for the trailer. Imagine the money it costs there. If you happen to be in a state where you deliver, they can tow both the truck and trailer at the same time, bump you into a dock, offload your stuff, and then bring you to the repair shop or dealer or whatever. Yeah. I've had a few incidents with that. One time the truck broke a valve down in Virginia. And then another time the clutch went out in North Carolina. And in both situations I had to figure out how to move those loads. Whew. I don't want to deal with all that. Thinking. And getting out of having my own authority and my own truck and trailer and go work locally for somebody. I'm home every day. I don't have to worry about truck and trailer repair. I mean, yeah, the loads are not paying as good as they used to. But if you know what you're doing, you can still balance some things out. And then with having my own authority, I do a lot of my paperwork myself. So that's how come I'm able to survive this long. Because in most companies, you have to pay them about 15 to 20% of what you make every week to do your paperwork and book the loads for you. And then on top of that, you got maintain and repair your truck and trailer, insurance, all that stuff. Tolls, fuel, so on and so forth. So in my case, I pay 4% to a factoring company, and I get to keep 96% of the load. Well, 4% is the most they can charge me. If somebody would do a quick pay or easy pay for 2% or 3%, they have to match that. But it's bad. If you're getting proper pay for the load, you can afford to repair your truck, repair your trailer, and be down for a little bit, and not have to worry so much. But when you have to go into your savings now to pay for stuff because you're not getting enough pay to move the loads, then it becomes worrying. And then you got to start looking at different options. Ooh, this is a long video, ain't it? 30 minutes. All right. Love you guys. Take care of each other. Please like, subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.